Welcome to the Teatrx step-by-step guide on using presenter mode within the Mago interface. At Teatrx, we pride ourselves in creating the easiest to use meeting rooms in the world. To achieve this, we have partnered with Mago, the leading app for seamless workspace integration. Watch how Teatrx, powered by Mago's technology, is revolutionizing the meeting room. Let's get started. Here is how to use presenter mode within the Mago Workspaces platform. Presenter mode can only be used within a virtual workspace. Step 1. Open a virtual workspace. If you need help creating a virtual workspace, you can find a Workspaces knowledge video on our website. After you open a workspace, select the person icon in the bottom right-hand corner of the whiteboard. And voila! You are in presenter mode. Similar to a video conference, but without the dynamic connection challenges, presenter mode allows you to easily showcase yourself on camera while simultaneously showing the conference room your various types of presentations. On the left-hand column is where you will be able to navigate the files currently shared in the workspace. And on the right is where you will find the active document. You can move, draw, scroll, and access documents at the touch of a button. Our simple one-touch solution is what drives us here at Teatrx. Do you still have questions about presenter mode? Call or email anytime. From all of us at Teatrx, thanks for watching.